maayong hapon sa inyong tanan. Cagayan de Oro City! Palakpak po lang mga taga-Cagayan. Okay, diba? First time po namin, I think I'll be speaking in behalf of the whole team that this is our first time in Cagayan de Oro. And what a delight, what a pleasure na kami makarating dito sa inyo. At sana hindi ito ang huli. Kung hindi, ito ang umpisa pa lang ng maraming pagbalik dito sa Cagayan de Oro. Palakpak naman po!
On behalf of Ad Asia Events Group, welcome and thank you for joining us at the official press conference for the World Travel Expo at Northern Mindanao. Our first ever expo in this vibrant and inspiring region. About the World Travel Expo. For 9 years, the World Travel Expo has been connecting travelers and dreamers with destinations, deals and discovery from Manila to Cebu and Davao. We've been growing and today I'm proud to say we've arrived in Cagayan de Oro, the gateway to Northern Mindanao. Why Cagayan de Oro? Because the city is more than a gateway. It's a destination in itself, a center of friendship, adventure, and opportunity. Whether you're chasing waterfalls in Iligan, trekking the highlands of Bukidnon, or island hopping in Camiguin, this region has it all. And it's time we let the world know what to expect. From July 25, 26, and 27, we will be at Ayala Mall Centrio. We'll transform into a heaven of wanderers, featuring exclusive travel deals, interactive booths, cultural showcases, and local exhibitors, ready to welcome travelers from near and far. To our media friends, tourism leaders, and local partners, thank you for being part of this moment. Let this press conference mark the start of something exciting for Northern Mindanao. Together, let's discover beauty and explore freely. See you all at the World Travel Expo.